This is Insta360 X4, and today I'll show how you can change the image settings in this camera. At the start, swipe downwards from the top edge of the display to launch the control panel. Here, go to the second page and enter Settings. Now scroll down, look for the Image Settings section, enter it, and now you can change the video encoding format, so efficiency or compatibility between H.265 and H.264. You can switch the bitrate between standard and high, change the video sharpness between high, medium, and low, adjust the anti-flicker frequency between 50 and 60 Hz, and well, switch on or off the in-camera stitching option. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.